What's up, guys? Long time no see. My name is Zach and I make videos about photography, camera gear, amateur videography, and vlogs. And today I just wanted to do a little channel update. I haven't been posting a lot lately, and I figured I'd just, kind of talk about that, talk about my absence, and talk about, what comes next. So let's go take a drive. First things first, you're probably wondering, well, where are you, Zach? For those of you that have been watching the channel for a little while, you probably don't recognize where I'm at all. That is because we are buying a house. We're buying a house and it's being built, and right now we're staying at our friend Jim's place. He's been kind enough to house a couple of refugees for just a little while. Originally, it was supposed to be for only a month, but unfortunately, like a lot of other people, our construction is taking longer than expected. So now we're, just about 2 months that we've been out of the apartment and staying with a friend. So if you're watching this, Jim, huge thanks. You're the man. I have basically been living off of Monster for the past month and a half. My French press packed away, stuck in storage like most of my belongings, so that's what I got. Just got out to the construction site. I'm going to go ahead and check out the house, see how the progress is going. But first, let's talk about a channel update. So, something really cool happened right before we left, and I haven't had time to really make a video about it, but we actually hit 500 subscribers on this channel, which is actually a really cool thing. Starting a YouTube channel, learning how to shoot video was kind of my lockdown, project. I never really thought that it was going to get as big as it has. Not that 500 subs is a huge number. It's more than I ever thought that I would get. And I've made some videos that I'm really proud of. I've made some videos that weren't so great, but I got to learn from those to make better videos in the future. So that's very exciting. As for the channel setup, though, well, obviously, since I am no longer in the place we were living, I'm going to have a new YouTube setup very soon. We'll actually go take a sneak peek at the space where I'm going to build the new studio. Well, there she is. There's the house, guys. It's coming along nicely. They still have to do the sod and finish some stuff on the outside, but yeah, there she is. Let's go check out the inside. All right, exclusive first look at the house. Let's take a look. Still major construction zone. One of the reasons I was drawn to this particular floor plan is all of the windows. So you have big triple windows in the back there, windows right there. And we look towards the front of the house. Some nice big windows on the front. And more windows. Oh, natural light everywhere. It's gonna be awesome for pictures. And this room has been the main holdup. This is the master bathroom, and the tile has been impossible to get. But look at that light. It's nice. Let's go check out what's going to be the new YouTube studio. It's upstairs. Okay, walk up the stairs. Oh yeah, look at all that room. Yo, though, this is gonna be sick. What do you think? Tons of room. Gonna be able to basically set up however I want to in here. Let's talk about cameras for just a second. I haven't gotten very much new gear since, we've been in the process of moving, but the Nikon guy actually I bought a Sony camera. I bought my very first Sony camera. I had the Sony ZV-1, whatever you want to call it. Tiny little vlogging camera with the flip screen on it. And I had it for a week and I returned it. Nope, I couldn't do it. I didn't love it. the ZV-1. What I love the size, but that was about it. The quality was like okay. I don't know, the convenience factor was nice, but I hated the menu system. The buttons were changing your settings was kind of a hassle, and the touch screen was all but completely and utterly useless. So as of right now, I am still vlogging with the good old trusty Nikon Z50, and man, it's just gonna have to do the job until something better actually comes along. Having owned now Nikon, Canon, and Sony, which I never thought I'd say, I'm still the Nikon guy. My good friend Heath tried to convince me to get the new, what is it, the ZV-E10, the interchangeable lens APS-C camera from Sony. But I'm not all that interested in it, mostly because of the horrendous rolling shutter that you see in so many other people's reviews. Here we are, waiting for the perfect vlogging camera again. Well, that's it for the sneak peek of the house and the new YouTube studio. What's kind of frustrating is the lack of progress that's been made over the past week. So the tile was really holding things up. It looks like it was delivered to the house, but it's still not done. And I don't know, it's just been kind of an ongoing frustration in our lives, just waiting on this to be completed. You know, man, not having your own space kind of sucks. Like, we super appreciate Jim letting us stay with him. It's just not like our space. Like, it's not our things. All of our things are in storage, which I gotta go check on those right now. But we are most certainly ready for it to be done. And you know, when you walk in and see it's still like that, I mean, it's still under a lot of construction, and we're supposed to close, let's see, today is Saturday, a week from Wednesday coming up. Fingers crossed. I'm so ready. What's your experience buying houses been? Let me know in the comments below. Well, I am back at the house. That is all I have for you today. I just wanted to update you on the channel, give you a sneak peek of the new spot, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So, more coming from me in the future. I've got a ton of pictures to go edit right now, so I'm gonna let you go. Make sure subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you soon. Thanks, everyone.